All right, welcome back. So here we are, negotiations, the science behind successful real estate negotiations, and the essence of offer, acceptance, and getting what you need. You're going to be able to take what you learn in this course and spread it out all over your life. Some of the little tips that I give you, like give and take, and if you're asked for something, make sure you get something back. There's some great tips in here that you'll be able to use with your pharmacist and your best friend. You're not going to hurt anybody, but it gives you a great leg up in life. So within the body of the course, you can expect to learn these essential negotiable points, as well as how to best determine how and when and what to push. You're going to learn the most important clauses in any real estate contract, the power of reverse engineering, know who you're negotiating with. When I get into that, you're going to be surprised at what I do and always have done when I'm negotiating a contract. There's nothing illegal about it. But knowledge is power, kids, and the little bit that you know is going to go a long way. You're going to learn why typical real estate contracts have this important seller issue wrong. And you're going to be surprised about who's behind it all. The important difference between soft deposits and hard deposits. Mr. Seller, which clauses are you willing to die on this hill for? You need to know what they are. Buyers, the contingencies that you definitely have to have in every offer that you make. There's the best 6 addendum clauses, how, when, and how to use them. The biggest weapon in your arsenal, counteroffers, believe it or not. How to lock your qualified buyer in and keep them there. And here's a great point. Learn at what point real estate contract negotiations turn real. Because until this event happens, nothing matters. But after this event happens, it's all serious from that moment forward.